From the beginning of time, all life on Earth has relied on one thing for its existence: food. Have you ever wondered why food is so important? Let's find out. First, what is food? Food is defined as any edible substance that provides nutritional support for living things. That is, plants or animals. But not all food are the same. Food can be divided into 6 groups, each with its own superpower. The food groups are staples, and these include rice, bread, and cassava. Staples give our bodies the energy it needs to function. The next food group is foods from animals. Like chicken, fish, and milk, they help to build and repair our bodies. Next, legumes. Think peas, beans, and nuts. They're also great for building and repairing tissues. Next, green, leafy, and colored vegetables. Like callaloo and pumpkin, they keep our bodies working smoothly. Next, we have fruits. These include oranges, pears, and mangoes, and not only do they taste great, but they are packed with vitamins. And finally, fats and oils. These can be found in butter, cheese, and nuts, and they provide energy and keep us warm. To stay healthy, it is important to eat the right amount from each group. That's because each group provides us with different nutrients, and each nutrient has a special job. Let's take a closer look at these nutrients and what they do for us. First up, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are found in staples like bread and rice. They are our body's main energy source. Next, we have proteins. These can be found in foods from animals and legumes. They help build and repair body tissues. Think of it as your body's very own construction crew. Next, we have fats. Fats can be found in butter and oils and provide extra energy and even help keep us warm. Next, there's vitamins. Vitamins can be found in fruits and vegetables. They fight off diseases and keep us healthy. And finally, minerals. These regulate our body processes and help us to grow strong. Food is so important because it gives us energy, helps us grow, and repairs our body whenever we get hurt. It also plays a big role in keeping us healthy and preventing diseases. But it is important for us to be mindful of just how much of each type of food we eat. This is where a balanced diet comes in. A balanced diet is one that has just the right amount of all the food groups. It's essential for proper growth, development, and your overall health. But what happens if your diet isn't balanced? Obesity and malnutrition are 2 health conditions that can result from an unbalanced diet. Let's take a closer look at each. First up, obesity. This is an extreme form of being overweight that increases the risk of other health problems, such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. It happens when a person eats too much unhealthy food and doesn't exercise enough. The next condition is malnutrition. This occurs when the body does not receive enough nutrients from the diet to support proper growth, maintenance, and functioning. Malnutrition can lead to serious health problems such as stunted growth, which means a person may not grow as tall or strong as they should. A weakened immune system, making it harder to fight off infections. Anemia, which happens when the body doesn't have enough iron to make healthy blood. And other nutrient deficiencies that can affect the skin, bones, and overall energy levels. To stay healthy, remember to eat a mix of foods from all 6 food groups every day. Let's test your knowledge. Name the 6 food groups. What nutrients helps your body repair itself? And what are the 2 health conditions that can result from an unbalanced diet? Have you ever stopped to look closely at a plant and wondered, what makes it grow? Plants may seem simple, but they're made up of different parts that all work together to help them survive. From tiny seeds to tall trees, plants are an important part of our world. But what do their different parts do? And why do some bear flowers and fruits while some do not? Let's explore the amazing world of plants. Every plant has different parts, and each part has a special job. Let's take a closer look at the main parts of a plant and what they do. First up, the roots. The roots hold the plant firmly in the soil so it doesn't fall over. They also absorb water and mineral salts from the soil to help the plant grow. Next, the stem. The stem supports the plant by holding up the branches and leaves. It also carries water and nutrients from the roots to other parts of the plant. Next, the leaves. The leaves breathe for the plant and make food using sunlight, air, and water. This process is called photosynthesis. Next up, the flower. The flower helps with pollination by attracting insects like bees. Some flowers develop into fruits, but not all flowers bear fruits. That brings us to the fruit. The fruit protects the seed inside. Some fruits are eaten by animals and humans, helping to spread the seeds. That takes us to the seeds. Now, seeds store food and grow into new plants when they are planted in the right conditions. Next, we have the buds. Now, a bud is a small part of the plant that develops into a flower. It is important to note that not all flowers turn into fruits. Some plants grow flowers just for pollination. Did you know that some plants produce flowers while others don't? Based on this, plants can be grouped into two categories: flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Let's take a look at flowering plants. Flowering plants are divided into monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Some examples of flowering plants include lemon plant and tomatoes. Next, we have non-flowering plants. These plants do not produce flowers, nor do they produce fruits. Non-flowering plants reproduce from spores. Some examples of non-flowering plants include ferns and mosses. Whether a plant is flowering or non-flowering, it needs certain things to grow strong and healthy. These include water, air, and sunlight. Water helps transport nutrients and keeps the plants hydrated. Plants need carbon dioxide from the air to make food. And the energy from the sun helps plants grow and make their own food through photosynthesis. Without these basic needs, plants would not survive. Let's test what you've learned. What are the main parts of a plant? What is the function of the stem? What do leaves do for a plant? How do flowering plants reproduce?